Hi, my name is Kailash Govindan, Novometric CD180172. I will be present first for our group. We are from section 1 and 2 for integrated engineering design, and our group called as G-TAW. There are 5 members consist in our group, which is Muhammad Aziz, Farah Nazrin, Amirul Azamuddin, Mashiki Yaya, and me. For the introduction, the wheel washer is meant for the construction site, which is to reduce the manpower and the shortest amount of the time in order to clean perfectly to prevent the dust and the mud to enter the road to avoid accident. Its purpose is to minimize the time taken to wash the wheel one by one. It will help convince the construction site that need to clean all the vehicles which is out from the construction site. For the problem statement, the construction site will be rely on their manpower to wash the wheels, which will take a long time if they receive a large number of vehicles in short time of period. It is not only short manpower energy, but it also short of water pressure. To avoid an accident, make sure the wheel is clean before it's leaving the construction site. There are a variety of wheel size and types can be able to operate in variety of weather condition. The objective of this project is to design and develop a functional and easy use wheel washer machine for the construction site. Number one is to effectively remove mud, dirt, and other debris from these wheels of construction site wheels. Number two is to prevent the spread of dirt on the public road and highways. For group name and logo, the idea was from the washer, since the product is washer idea from each member, and we changed it to a gang to achieve washer. The combination of member, our mission is to achieve the construction site wheel washer. For that, we just keep our group name as a G-TAW. The wheel with the bubbles represent the title of our project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Farah Nazrin. My metric number CD180166. So today I would like to present in chapter 2. Define task. Defining task is the early stage of briefing and defining the product purpose and task involved in the product designing process. There is 3 types of design in catalog, which is first, wheel washer with tank, second, short frame wheel washer, and lastly, extender wheel washer. For the data analysis from question A, we can see that male have 10% more than women that answer the question A, and for the rest, 52% are Malay, and the rest is Chinese, Indian, and Arabic. The comparison between new products are similar with all products. The majority respondent answer is good for the new design. For the question 2, many respondents choose yes in many facts. And for the question 3, majority respondents said that our product is creative. For the necessary kind, yes is 68%, while maybe is 28%. And for the ability to support, the respondent choose yes in 62%. For the improvement, the cost, the function, and the design is higher than others. There are 5 suggestions that respondents give it to us, which is it's a really creative method. The design should be a very easy way. It's actually good and creative in design. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Mashak Yahya. I'm going to talk about chapter 3, which I'm going to start talking about clarifying function of our product. Our product consists of wheel washing system, clean vehicle wheel before leaving the construction site, and also may be needed based on environmental risk assessment. And also they are typically located near the exits, and all site personnel, visitors and delivery vehicles are required to use them. And also use the chemical to speed up dirt separation and collect dirt and recycle time. That's sketching. Sketching is important for product development, which help to attention the idea and also make the problem easy to solve and also cost effective. As you see here, we sketch this part before we start our development, which help us to develop our product in easy way. As you see here, show all the details. Our product show is detachable and portability. That means it's easy to detach and separate, and also easy to transport from area to area, and also separate the water from each side. And our product doesn't waste the water. It's reuse the water in the end of the process.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul Azamudimullah bin Kamal Zaman. My matrix number CD180091. Today I will present my part, which is embodiment, design and analysis. So first of all, product of schematic. So the schematic diagram will demonstrate the fundamental component required for the product to generate an operational design. The functional, structure and concept sketches from the previous chapter were used as the foundation for creating the schematic diagram. Energy, material and signal traces are the three different types of traces utilized in the schematic diagram.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Razif Mahmoud. Then I'm going to present about the detailed drawing of this project. So a detailed drawing is a drawing of a single component assembly or multiple parts or an entire system of assemblies. A detailed drawing provides complete and precise description of what I mentioned. These are component drawing that was utilized to create a prototype. There are a total part of 26 parts in this project. A part is a drawing that shows the fabrication information for one part, usually without wheel. From this image, you can see one of our parts in this project, that is a ramp. Next is assembly. Assembly is a drawing which part display the part of a machine or machine unit assembled in the relative working position, which is known as assembly drawing. For this image, this is the assembled design that we had assembled in the output. Static analysis. From this ramp, we have conducted static analysis for von stress, displacement and strain. As you can see, there's a large strain on the inclined part of the ramp. While for the main body frame, it is more focused displacement on the middle part of the drawing. Thank you.
This is analysis For the function test, the prototype performed is intended and function in produced water. For the stress test, ensuring that the body frame and ram does not bend and fall under the load. And last, durability test, the prototype can be used for the long time without collapse. This is checklist that we need in our project. For the first is body frame is for connected decorating. Second, ram is to help elevate onto the body frame. Third, anti-splash is to prevent water from splashing outside the operation. Fourth, breathing is to flow access the water. Fifth, piping and water pump is supply the water. And last, railing is to prevent operation from slipping. Thank you.
Basic concept. Sustainable development is rapidly becoming an inspiration for many governments throughout the world. Overall, sustainability has been defined in a variety of ways as frequent seen to include three basic components: environmental sustainability, economic sustainability, and social sustainability are the three components. Overall sustainability development necessities achieve environment, economic, and social sustainability at the same time. Next is the sustainable design principle. A sustainable design shares the big picture view of how our choice affect more than the present. Effective sustainable design is a comprehensive approach to selecting and integrate products and processes that account for long-term consumer sustainability and environment conservation. 6 design principles are the form, function, and usability. Cost-effective solution, durable design solution, renewable energy, and material recycling.
Cost evaluation. Cost evaluation is the process of determining the total cost and expenses associated with our product, including direct cost like material and labor, and indirect cost like overhead and administrative expenses. It's used to determine the feasibility and compare cost of different options. Manufacturing cost consists of three types: direct material cost, labor cost, and overhead cost. The direct material cost, the cost of all material used for our product, like I-beam, steel grating, water pump, steam water anti-splash. It's called direct material. The labor cost, which include the fabrication work, like the welding and machining and cutting and assembling. It's all cost, as I mentioned in the slide, 5,000. And the transportation cost us 2,000. The total is 7,000. And we use the cost per unit formula to get the total cost direct labor cost per unit, established at a sum of 121.5 units. The overhead cost, which it means the rent and the electric bill, water bill. As I mentioned here, the electric bill cost us 350 ringgit, and the water bill cost us 400 ringgit. The total 750, and we use the cost per unit formula to get the total cost sum of overhead. It's summed up with 30 ringgit. The total cost for 1 unit is 21,291. Thank you.
For the business plan, we study about the company background, product description, competitors, and the main point is key to success. To produce a product, the key to success is important in all the projects. For conclusion, a brand new idea was generated in this study by designing a construction site wheel washer to clean the wheels of construction vehicles before they left their site. This is done to prevent the spread of dirt from the construction site to public road. The conclusion for a construction site wheel washer is that it is an important tool for maintaining cleanliness and safety on construction site and can help to prevent damage to public roads and the environment. Thank you.